again. In our last lesson, we showed you how to export your animations to save them as a GIF or PNG to use elsewhere. Well, you can also import images and animations that you can use in new creations. Let's take a look. I'll begin by creating a new animation, and we'll look at the timeline options down at the bottom here. Next to adding a frame is import frames from an image, and that's the one we want. When you select this option, it will bring up your Explorer window where you'll choose the image or animation file that you want. It'll automatically open the Pictures folder, but of course you can navigate to any folder to find the image or animation you want to import. Now, if you don't see all of the images that you're looking for in the folder, you may want to double check that it is searching for all the different file types. Here we can see it's looking for GIF files only. If we click the drop down button, we can select all files, and now we can see all of the files in that folder. First, I'm going to import a single image. I'll choose a PNG file, and let's take a look at our Expressive Pixels logo, and I'll import that. Now, if the size is different than the template you're using, it will ask if you want to preserve the aspect ratio as in the original image or stretch it to fit the aspect ratio of your Expressive Pixels template that you're importing to. I'm going to choose stretch here so it fits my new template, but you might want to try both ways to see what works best. Okay, there it is. Now it's in a frame, ready to use and edit to create a new animation. Now let's try to import an animation that we previously created. Again, I will go into Import Frames, and I want to make sure I'm looking at all of my files. And I'm going to choose a helicopter animation GIF, and this, remember, is a full animation. So I'm going to select that, and now it's going to import all of the frames from that animation. You have the ability to import frames from any animation that you like. They don't have to be only ones you've created. The possibilities are endless. Go ahead and give it a try and see how you can create something new from something that already exists. Don't forget to save your work as you go, and visit us at aka.ms/expressivepixels to see our other tutorials and let us know what you think.